It's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're doing another ride. My girlfriend and I are going to explore the harbor of Antwerp. This is the starting point, the Canapolis in Antwerp, and I discovered a new website with all these different routes. Actually, my dad discovered it and said to me, it's called Wikiloc, and you can discover every kind of track there exists in the world. You should look it up, seriously. It's got, like, if you want to sail, if you want to snowboard, if you want to hike, if you want to do a dual sport track, if you want to do just normal motorways, everything is on there. So give it a look, it's great. So yes, I'll put it down in the description, Wikiloc, and I'll also put the GPX track that we're gonna ride today in the description, so check it out. Also, be sure to subscribe, because every time I upload a popular video, people are like, oh, you're back, and I'm like, no, you're not subscribed. I upload each week, so if you like it, subscribe. Enough intro, let's just ride. There's some traffic over here, but it's not your average traffic. Parallel view of the harbor, and right there is the power plant. We're taking our first break here in Stabroek. We're kind of going away from the harbor, but we're coming back to see the entry for the boats via the water. That we'll see in a bit. Yeah. This stop was not planned, so it's just cool to see stuff like this. Little like bridges, medieval bridges onto a castle. If you watched my episode of my dad and I visiting castles, this kind of gives me the same vibe. Look what we have here. You staying here? Okay, bye-bye. we're at the halfway point. So we came to a dead end. And over there is the power plant again. So now we have to return. It's great weather outside. I really enjoy this. Every day I have a day off from work and it's good weather. I just want to go, just want to ride. Doesn't matter where to. Yeah, this is where the boats enter Antwerp. There's a really big one over there. So yeah, very cool place to take a little break. But we're gonna ride on because we don't have a lot of time left. Alright, that was it. We're back. I hope you enjoyed this video of us riding through the harbor and seeing all the cranes and stuff. It was really cool. Actually, it was a really fun ride. It was something different, something you don't see every day. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and now guess this movie quote.